Welcome to Getembe Electricals. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a wireless doorbell. So this is the doorbell here and this is the switch. So you are going to open it from this point. Here, down here there's a small space here. You open like this and then you'll put this is the one that you will screw to the wall. This one you screw to the wall like that. Use your gypsum screws. Then you screw like this to make sure it's tight. Like that. Then you use another screw. Screw again like that. And then you put this cover. This is where you press. So you put it like that. You connect it like this. You mount it on the wall that way. This. After finishing that, you put this cover. And you make sure it's tight. Like that. And then this bell, you'll mount it in the house. After you press like this, then you will mount this other part in the house. So we are going to mount this in the house at the corridor. So you can see these two holes. Then you have two nails, so you hook it there. Like and subscribe for our next videos.